money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Kiss you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
What's up with y'all? It's Big Boss coming back with another Before You Buy. And in this video, we are talking about Mancera's Instant Crush. Okay, so my subscriber sent me this fragrance and I've been wearing it for a couple of days now. You know what I mean? Usually when I wear a scent, I go out to the public, I see what the compliments give me. I go ask a couple of family members, and then, you know, I gotta ask my lady friend. Hey, I'm gonna tell you, man, my girl, we was in Pound Town, we took a trip, you feel me? And hey, I don't know if she thought I was a Jolly Rancher or an ice cream or something like that, but it was a lot of good stuff happening that night. Okay, so what I want to tell you about this scent straight out the gate, this is a woody, vanilla, sweet, sexy amber scent, right? When you first smell it, it's not what you're looking for. It's really the drawdown that you want, okay? So you gotta wait 15 minutes to really get the essence of this fragrance. So don't mind that woody alcohol smell that you get in the beginning. Once you get past that, the saffron start kicking in. It's that mini floral saffron that kick in. Then, you know, that sweetness start picking up. And then if you had Baccarat Rouge 540, or you had Untold by Club de Nuit, or you had Ariana Grande's Cloud, you should understand that sweet, musky drawdown is the same thing that's inside here. So it's very familiar. And what I can say is it's sweet, just like them fragrances, but this has like this rose in it as well. I really like that oody rose smell. Just something about it that really gets me a lot of compliments. Like I said, it's sugary too. Okay, so don't forget it's like sugary. The mandarin in it, you kind of don't smell the citrus in the mandarin. You smelling like the orangey in the mandarin. So it's like a sweet orangey mandarin, vanilla. Man, the notes in this fragrance, they say it got like saffron, ginger, mandarin, and bergamot in the opening. The middle notes has amberwood, rose, jasmine, and patchouli leaf. So that makes sense why it's so floral on the mids. Drawdown, we got that white musk, sandalwood, oak moss, and Madagascar vanilla. Okay, so where would you wear this scent? This is a date night fragrance, straight out the gate. It's date night. You want to wear this going on a date. You want to wear this going to sleep, laying down with your lady. If I was going to rate this fragrance out of 10, it's for sure 9 out of 10. Really, any fragrance that smells like Baccarat Rouge 540 is going to be a 9 out of 10, especially if it can still last a long time, which this fragrance do. Okay, so you can find this fragrance from a variety of different places, but I honestly wouldn't pay more than like maybe like 100 for this fragrance. So look on maybe eBay or something for this fragrance. Even if somebody used it and there's only like 90% left, buy a used bottle. Don't buy this bottle for retail. Buy it from the discounters. It's been out for a minute. And if I can recommend this over Baccarat, I would. Baccarat is good, but you understand that Baccarat is $350. It's inflation. We ain't trying to spend all that money, just go to Pound Town. But if you're trying to have a good time with your lady and you're working with a budget and you still want to smell good, the Mancera Instant Crush is a sexy fragrance. You can wear it majority in the fall and winter time. It's not going to be that useful in the spring and summer because of the weather. It's going to be a little too hot for it, and you want to stay more towards the fresher scent. But this, when it comes to the sweetness, the sexiness, you can't really go wrong. I have no gripes with this fragrance. I'm smelling it on my wrist now. Oh man, sweet vanilla mandarin. That's how I smell. Okay, if you like this review, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Big Boss. Stay looking fly, stay looking good. Keep sending me samples, man. I'm gonna keep reviewing them. I love y'all, and I'm out.